If elected to city attorney, you will have your specific duties as stated by law, and you will also need to satisfy the electorate, which means you will need to be more public than a normal city employee. How do you believe you will satisfy these two requirements? Mr. Fagan, can you go first?
Absolutely.
And you'll be given 1 minute for this question.
One of my values that I'll go into more later is open government, and I think by emphasizing open government, I will have an opportunity to address the concerns of the citizens of Chula Vista and communicate directly with the citizens of Chula Vista. One element of that is to be clear and transparent. And you do that, one way that an attorney can do that is by publishing their opinions. If I'm elected city attorney, one of the first things that I will do is publish the opinions that I give to the city council so that everyone can see what it is that the city attorney is looking to do and why they're looking to do it. This isn't a novel concept. The Attorney General for the state of California publishes opinions. And then people can look and see that they're making an informed legal analysis and what they base their decisions on. They shouldn't be a secret. They should be open to the public.
Thank you very much. Mr. Costas, can you go second, please?
Yes, thank you very much. Well, first and foremost, I would do exactly what I'm doing tonight, reaching out to the public and going to community organizations like Northwest Civic Association. I think that's paramount. Without a pulse on what the community is feeling on any specific project or ordinance that's before the city council, a lawyer can't do his job, and let me tell you why. First and foremost, the lawyer has to understand the facts and apply the facts to the law before he or she is able to give a good legal memorandum to the folks that are going to be making the decisions. I need to understand the facts. That means I have to reach out to those of you that are actually living in our neighborhoods, that are actually working in our city. And to do that, I have to reach out to you and make myself available to you. So I am grateful.
Thank you, Mr. Costas. Mr. Coogan?
Could you repeat the question so I get the full flavor of it?
Sure, no problem. If elected as city attorney, you will have your specific duties as stated by law, and you'll also need to satisfy the electorate, which means you will need to be more public than a normal city employee. How do you believe you will satisfy these two requirements?
Thank you very much. Mr. Fagan's remarks were, I think, dead on. And one of the things I've been telling folks out in the public when I'm at forums like this or meeting with people door to door or in just talking with folks in informal settings is that a memorandum of law policy at the City of Chula Vista is long overdue. It's not just the Attorney General who does it, City of San Diego does it, and most recently Mr. Goldsmith has been able to resolve a number of really thorny issues by clarifying positions that people were fighting over, making those opinions public, giving everybody access to the same information so that everybody's on the same playing field. That's one of the things that we all struggle with so much advice being given confidentially. A lot of people feel like they don't have access to city government, but feel like decisions are being made behind closed doors. You can't always do that, but you should do it as much as possible. Secondly, if I could add just one additional thing, since that was
go ahead. That's your statement.
One thing I'm committed to do as a city attorney is to get out among the public and actually have office hours and have public forums on issues that I think are of interest to the public. I'd like to do it 4 times a year, quarterly. I'd like to do it in different parts of the city, and I'd like to try to talk about issues that are of relevance, maybe citywide, but maybe focused on a particular area of the city. It could be the initiative process. It could be code enforcement issues. It could be city assessments of liens and how those are collected. Anything in order to share that information and get feedback from people about what they care about as well. Thank you.
Thank you very much.